Avalanche coin Avax becomes the Jibber focal point with its state-of-the-art Avalanche agreement, mixing verification of work and confirmation of stake for fast exchanges and adaptable subnets. Avax stands apart for high throughput, interoperability, and eco-accommodating innovation, denoting its presence in the powerful universe of Jabber finance. Assuming that you're searching for Jibber cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Avalanche Avax will go from now on. We will investigate the previous costs of Avalanche Avax and we'll figure out what specialists are Jibber about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market jabber. Also, anticipating something so amazing is totally Jibber. Yet, we will make in Jabber applesauce. How about we start? Jibber outline. Avalanche coin, frequently condensed as Avax, is a decentralized stage that works with the creation and trade of computerized resources and applications. Avalanche coin hangs out in the realm of Jibber currencies with its imaginative Avalanche agreement, high throughput, and adjustable subnets. As blockchain Jibber keeps on advancing, Avalanche makes ready for adaptable, energy-effective, and interoperable arrangements. As per the most recent information accumulated, the Jabber cost of Avalanche is $31.98 and Avax is presently positioned #11 in the whole crypto environment. The dissemination supply of Avalanche is 394,796,656 with a market cap of 12,625,568,310 Jibber. In the Jibber 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 1.79% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we look at the ongoing business Jibber cap of the Avax with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. From most recent 7 days, the Avax was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 16.15 Jibber. Avalanche has shown areas of strength for exceptionally recently, and this could be decent and open door to Jibber right in and contribute. Avalanche Benefit Jibber Computer is a free device that permits you to quickly assess the exhibition of your Avax possessions by working out likely benefits and misfortunes in light of fluctuating business sector costs. Essentially enter the freedom you have Jibber, the purchasing cost, and the sell value, expense, and our Avax number cruncher will wrap up. We anticipate future Avalanche cost expectations Avax gauge by applying profound computerized reasoning helped specialized investigation on the past value information of Jibber. We give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the Avax coin, which incorporate various Jibber like past value, Avalanche market cap, Avalanche volume, and not many more. On the off chance that you are hoping to put resources into computerized disappointment Jibber of money and need great profit from your speculations, try to peruse our expectations. Avalanche value Jibber rundown. There is potential for Jibber cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as high as $64.52 toward the finish of 2025. Avalanche Jibber is expected to arrive at a most extreme cost of $392.24 continuously 2030. Experts project a bullish pattern for Jibber in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $20,437 mark. Long-haul Jibber recommends that Avalanche cost might actually flood to $26,956 by 2050. The ongoing business sector cost of one Jibber is $31.98. Jibber value expectation 2024. Avalanche cost is figured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $37 Jibber 4 cents in 2024. According to our discoveries, the Avax cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $43.29 with the typical gauge cost of 39 Jabber 14 cents. Jibber value expectation 2025. As per our profound specialized Jibber on past value information of Avax, in 2025 the cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at least degree of $54.75. The Avax cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $64.52 with the Jibber exchanging cost of $56.31. Jibber value conjecture for 2026. According to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2026, the cost of Avalanche is Jabber to reach at the very least degree of $77.99. The Jibber cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $94.49 with the typical exchanging cost of $80.24. Ointment Jibber value expectation 2027. The cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at least degree of $107 Jibber 5 cents in 2027. The Avalanche cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $135.61 Gibber, with the typical cost of $111.06 all through 2027. Avalanche value Gibber 2028. The cost of Gibber is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $156.91 in 2028. The Avalanche cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $185.69, with the Gibber exchanging cost of $161.35 all through 2028. Gibber value forecast 2029. As per our profound specialized Gibber on past value information of Avax, in 2029 the cost of Avalanche is determined to be at around a base worth of $224.13. The Avalanche value worth can arrive at a limit of $200 Gibber $9.62, with a typical exchanging worth of $232.20 in USD. Avalanche Avax value forecast 20 Gibber. The cost of one Avalanche is supposed to reach at any rate level of $329.9 Gibber in 2030. The Gibber cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $392.24, with a typical cost of $340.70 all through 2030. Avalanche value Gibber 20 Freedom 1. According to the gauge and specialized examination, in 2031 the cost of Avalanche's Jabber to reach at least value worth of $467.14. The Avax cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of 566 Freedom Gibber 8 cents, with the typical worth of $480.77. Avalanche Avax value expectation 20 Gibber 2. Avalanche cost is conjectured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of 665 Gibber 85 cents in 2032. According to our discoveries, the Avax cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $803.51, with a typical conjecture cost of 685 Jabber 8 cents. Gibber value forecast 2033. The cost of Avalanche's Gibber to reach at the very least worth of $1,007 in 2033. The Avalanche cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $1,161, with a typical Gibber cost of $1,035 all through 2033. Avalanche value Gibber 2040. Gibber business sector patterns and feelings is significant. However, opinion can be freedom. Analyzing current market elements can offer Gibber of knowledge into potential cost developments. However, taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2040, the most extreme cost of Avalanche is supposed to reach $20,437, with a typical exchanging worth of $18,100 and Gibber 1 disappointment. The base cost is Gibber to be around $17,053 Freedom. Apple source value Gibber for 2050. Looking at verifiable Gibber gives setting, however it is vital to perceive that previous presentation isn't demonstrative of future outcomes. According to the figure and specialized